Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and look what showed up to our Cars and Coffee this morning. The BMW Z8. I brought the M5 wagon here to show it off. It's a rainy day, so nobody's here. But here is the Z8. Now this is the real Z8, not the Alpina. You can tell by the wheels. So this only came in stick. It's got the E39 M5 engine. And I've driven, years ago, I belonged to the Manhattan Classic Car Club, and they had a Z8 in the fleet. And I drove that car a lot. And it drives more muscle car than sports car, but it is an amazing car. So now you have the instruments in the middle of the car, kind of like a Mini Cooper, right? Not over here. It only came with the stick shift. In 2003, this is an 01 or an 02. In 2003, they made an Alpina version. You can tell by the Alpina wheels. And the Alpina version was only automatic. So this is supposed to, it has design cues from the BMW 507. And even though this car is an 01 or 02, it really looks so classic. Should we drive it? Give me 30 likes and we'll take it out for a drive. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.